Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Markets crash again, core prices rise again. Everything we predicted is getting worse, but this always presents opportunity. I could be all doom and gloom like Meet Kevin or Graham Stepan this morning and just cry into the camera and say everything is bad. It is bad, but I won't do it for views because I see it as an opportunity. This is an opportunity for the next generation to buy in and to invest. It's exactly what you want. It's awful if you're retiring now. It's awful if you retired last year or you're retiring next year. But this is exactly what you want. You want the markets to go down so you can get in and then you can start to build from there. It's all about digging the ditches and getting prepared for the future. At the end of the day, isn't that what it's all about? This show is not designed, never will, never has been, about doom and gloom, predicting the end of the world, unless I believe that's a fact, but not just to sell views to get you to watch. So, however, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to you. The price index, we'll go into detail in a few moments with it, but as you can see, everything is going back down this morning. The markets had priced some of this in, of course. There's always that expectation. I've been saying it for ages that it's going to be the late spring, summer at the very earliest before we get any kind of rebound. At the very earliest. It could be a lot longer than that. So let's get ready for it. Let's see what we can do about it this morning. So this is the economic data. We talk about personal income, personal spending, and core PCE. First of all, let's look at core PCE this morning. Very, very important metric to look at. So here we go. Let's bring it on the screen right now. Core PCE prices in the US, which exclude food and energy, jumped by 0.6 month over month in January of 2023 compared to a downwardly revised 0.2 increase in the previous month and above market estimates of 0.4. The annual rate, the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge to measure inflation, rose by 4.47 and surpassed market expectations of 4.3. This really confirms a 0.5% is coming, which could end our Virgin Galactic. High speculative stocks, I've been saying for ages, need money. Interest rates going up will damage those. You need to be in defensive stocks. Even defensive stocks are getting beat up this morning. Okay, backing signals from the Fed policymakers, interest rates must be higher. There we go. I said that before I read it, okay? For longer to tame unsustainable price growth. Meanwhile, the headline figure rose by 0.6 from the previous month. Okay, not good at all. This is not what we want. But we do. Bad news is good news right now if you are a long-term investor. If you're a scalp trader or you're just trying to get rich in 5 minutes for doing absolutely nothing, this is the worst time. Now, I know, I can honestly say, I mean, look, who can say, I am down $41,000. 41, I repeat, $41,000. Why am I not all doom and gloom? Why am I not sad? Why am I not depressed? Why am I not jumping off the nearest bridge? Well, because I bought in at the highest point at the end of a bull run when this show started a year and a half ago. I'm not stupid. I knew exactly what I was doing. I know more today than I did then, however. I did make some mistakes. I was in margin. That was a mistake. I got out of margin. Even though prices have continually gone lower, I am not in margin, so I'm not in any pain anymore. I'm not selling at losses. I've got no credit cards, no loans. I'm in a good position. Now you might go, but you've lost 41,000. How is that great? Because I bought in at the top of the market and I was going online with you guys. How could I be online with you and how could I have a show with you if I wasn't buying into the market, if I wasn't here? At the end of the day, I'm in a privileged position because I've earned money on YouTube, which is what's going into my never-ending cycle of down with the markets. However, we need to reiterate, we are up on the year to date, 6%. it's a good start to the year. So there is the positivity out of everything. We had a rally. It's now pulling back. That's expected. I still think we're going to go lower, but at the end of the day, we are up this year. We're up this year primarily not just because the markets have had a rebound, but also it's because I'm not wasting money on margin. I'm not selling for losses. I'm buying dips and I'm digging the ditches, preparing for a much better future. So this continually going down is great for me. Of course, it's not great if you've got companies that don't make money. Virgin Galactic, Arrival, things like Lucid. These companies can all go bankrupt. As much as I, are bullish about Virgin Galactic, it can go bankrupt. Anyway, people don't want to hear that, but that's the reality of it all. Let's bring everyone on the screen. Good morning, investors, savers, and traders. Getting better to buy, I agree. Stephen Lewandowski agrees with what I'm saying. There you go. Long road ahead for the Fed now. Wouldn't be surprised if they go for 0.5 at the next meeting. I've been saying it for ages. Dave Mottram, how are you? Afternoon all. Good morning, Martin and everyone. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you are. Our home is here on YouTube. So there you go. That's the reality of where we are today. The markets are continually going down. United States core price, PCE price index month on month rose again. We saw it. We predicted it. It's no surprise. You've only got to just walk out your front door and look at what's going on. But as soon as we get to the bottom, there's nothing more predictable and more guaranteed in the fact we will hit bottom eventually. And you want to be in, you want to be invested, you want to be buying all the way down. No one can predict the bottom. It's absolutely impossible. But I am there. I'm buying all the time, not going anywhere. And I'm optimistic. So I'm not doom and gloom, and I'm not sad, and I'm not telling everybody when I make millions of dollars on YouTube that the world is coming to an end, because it isn't. It isn't. It's an opportunity. It's the cycle of the way the markets work. And the next thing to happen, of course, is if we get the end of the war, then everything would rally back 20% in a day. So do you want to be in the market when that happens? Of course you do. There you go. Let's carry on. Martin, what's up, Martin? And Lucas Muggs, how are you? Malcolm UK, how are you? Great to have you here. Fantastic. Let's go. The S&P has gone down 1.32. Virgin Galactic down but bouncing back up again. Not low enough for me to buy more. Virgin Orbit. Rivian, not low enough. Tesla, not low enough. It's going to 160. Lucid, not low enough to buy more. Apple, it's down 1.6. Not low enough to buy more. I trimmed off the top. You saw why now. Now I can buy back. Amazon is a buy, definitely. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, down 0.3. J&J is now trying to push up. It's the only thing that's going up, even though it's down. Everything's down, but there you go. Google is definitely a buy now. Microsoft, going down. Walmart, going down. Tesco, down. It's across the board. Enphase Energy, 11% down now. Bitcoin down 0.5% as well. 114 days, hopefully, we'll be at 1 million views. That's our target. 114 days, countdown. Robinhood, down. Is that low enough to buy yet? Not really. I haven't got any more money right now, though, until I earn some more money. But I've been buying the dips forever, so if I miss one today, that's fine. I've been buying the dips now for a year. Meta, 168. That's down 2% as well. That'll be affected because it's all about advertisement. Fed swaps fully factor in rate hikes in March, May, and June. Fed swaps fully factor in rate hikes in March, May, and June. Thank you, 22. Bond market now pricing in 3 more hikes. There you go. And of course, this is good Because the more pain you can take, the better you will be at the end of it. It's not how hard you can punch, it's how many punches you can take. And the more they throw at it, the bigger the recovery will. The bigger the recovery will be. The more you put in, the more you get out. It's just like everything in life. It's why I go live up to 10 hours a day, every day. Anyway, I never go anywhere. Someone said to me on StockQuits this morning, the idiot is back. I saw that this morning when I said that Virgin Galactic is going down, and we're down 4% today. And he quoted, and I quote, "The idiot is back." And I replied respectfully, why do you say I'm an idiot? You're entitled to your opinion, of course. But when you say I'm back, I've never been gone. I've been here 10 hours a day since day one, a year and a half now, reporting the same information about Virgin Galactic. I'm bullish, but however, I'm facing reality. And the idea is to give the news, the truth, the honesty, what's going on, not just what you want me to say so you can promote the stock, because just you is going to make a difference anyway. But what can I say to that? But Virgin Galactic has gone down today. It's down 4%. So there you go. The idiot is back. Well, I've never been gone anywhere. I've been here the entire time. If you'd like to join me on StockQuits and be one of my Lucas aides and help support me in all the excitement, here is my StockQuits account. It's the Twitter of the stock market. That's why it's called StockQuits. Join me over there. Be part of my army. And take part in what's going on. 2 months ago, they were looking for 1. Bond market now prices in 3. There we go. Not good at all, but great for opportunity. It's what you want. Who wants the markets to see? When the markets start going up, I'll be saving up my cash. I won't be buying anything. I'll be waiting for the next down leg. I'm already in. I've invested $70,000. I will already be in. I don't need to buy when it goes up. Everyone says, oh, you'll buy it when it goes up. No, I won't. I buy it when it goes down. You're the idiot for buying it when it goes up. I've already done my investing. This is the Investor Channel. We invest. And what is investing? What is investing? Investing is finding great companies that are on sale and investing for the future. That is what investing is. Some people think investing is jumping on a bandwagon. No, it isn't. Investing is investing. All right, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up. That would be absolutely fantastic. Let me refresh my screen because it's saying 8 waiting. That can't be right. The show's already started. Let me have a refresh of my screen. I've never seen that before. That's more like it. People watching rather than waiting. I was looking at that thinking that's odd. Right, it's a cash prize giveaway today. Every Friday we give away the money I make on the video. In fact, I give away more than I make on the video because I don't make money from my live streams at all. I make money from videos, not live streams. I'm here for the community, the family, the support, and to demonstrate that I wish to be the most honest YouTube channel on YouTube. Anyway, so let's get some likes. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. And let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. If we get 100 likes during the show, I give an extra cash bonus away. All right, here we go. Let's bring it on the screen. I can't see my button. There it is. There it is. For some reason, I couldn't see it. Right, 24 likes. Sorry, 24 watching. There you go. More people want the. More people will watch the doom and gloom channel saying it's all going to zero. I won't do that. So there you go. These are positive people. 24 watching and 17 likes. Let's get 20 likes if we can in 20 seconds. That'll be absolutely brilliant. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. We've got 8 seconds to go. And 17 likes. We should get to 20. See if we can get there. 18, 19. Fantastic. One more to get to 20 and we'll be good to go. There we go. Fantastic. Did we get to 20? I'll come back to it. We're at 19. Pretty close. Pretty close. Oh, we're 20 now. If I'd waited 1 more second. Oh, right. Okay, let's go over to my main position right now. Let's see all my values in total. So you can see the full amount of money that I have all in total, all for you right now. Okay, so I've got $1,500 in my bank account, $1,500 in my savings account. All the rest is here. This is my portfolio on Robinhood, down 40 grand, right? Okay, just keep buying those dips. Roth IRA, this is my position. Overall, we are down $96 now. I maxed out my Roth IRA, so I'm really, really happy about that. We've got another Mohammed Kahinian this morning. This is weird. Talked about that yesterday. Very odd indeed. Roth IRA is down. My overall position now is just 42,485. Should be around about 44 from where we were at the high this year. Should be around about 70, 80 grand if we hadn't lost any money at all. Okay. Watching Martyn Lucas' show makes seeing my portfolio tank more bearable. Indeed. So look at this. Mohammed Kahine came back yesterday, became a gold member again with all the drama of all the pretend accounts. And now we've got a Mohammed Kahine again. This is really, really weird. What is going on? No one understands what's going on. Drop this market. I want to go shopping. There we go. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Did anybody see my midnight 2 a.m. broadcast? I was broadcasting to China and Korea last night, that side of Asia, that side of the world last night. And it was successful. We had half as many people as we get in our live stream here. So we're building an audience now in the east of the country. It goes live at 2 a.m. in the morning. It's a repeat of this show at 2 a.m. in the morning. So there you go. It's called replay. It's got replay in the title, replay in the thumbnail. So everyone knows it's a replay. It's a live stream, but it's a replay. It allows you guys to talk in the live chat and be involved in it all if you want to. Keep the community together and share news, talk live in the chat, and all the rest of it. But it's aimed at an audience that is awake at that time of the day. You'll have to stop slagging off Chinese stocks now. No, I won't change my opinion. I wouldn't invest in the Chinese market. I'm not going to say what somebody might expect me to say, but no, I'm always going to. That's what I believe. So I'm not going to change that. Mohammed Kahine says, I've been watching you because I love space. Just tuned in. Aha. Okay. Well, I've been to the Virgin Orbit Space Station. I've been to the Virgin. I'm going to the Virgin Galactic Space Station, New Mexico. I'm a bull. However, I'm a realist, and I know where the markets are going. And I was right. Let's look at it. There we go. Over the last week, it's down 8.75. Over on Stockwits, one guy keeps telling me I'm an idiot because he wants me to say it's going up forever. Keeps using the word, it's going to the moon. And I go, I hope not. If it goes to the moon, it's crashed. It's not even a financial phrase, that isn't. It's made up by Bitcoiners on YouTube. And we don't want it to go to the moon. We want Virgin Galactic to go into orbit and stay there and come back down again. Anyway, same here, my friend. Thank you very much indeed. Steve, you have to stop. Steve, good morning, Steve. Another one, but legit. It's very odd, isn't it? Does anyone know what's going on? All these Mohammed Kahines, different accounts, gold member, no idea. Anyway, no idea what's going on. Okay, Lucid on the way down, 4.87. Apple, we've got 35 minutes before the bell goes. 35 minutes. Let's bring everybody up to date with our first commercial break. If you see the ad, skip the ad. I'm only going to be here until about 9 o'clock today, an hour and 5 minutes today. So we got our cash prize giveaway, as we do every single Friday. However, this might be the last one for a while. I said to you I would do it forever, and I meant it. However, people are not taking part in it. I've only got 10 people this morning who have taken part in our free cash giveaway. This was the video you had to watch. The comment there was the video, and the comment was Go Virgin, and literally just a handful of people have entered it. You can see, look, just 10. So I lose money every single week. That's fine. I don't mind losing money. I'm here to help people. However, people don't seem to want to be bothered with it. So I might as well save myself some money. So I was thinking about not doing it anymore. So what do you think? Let's have a poll. Start a poll. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? Come back to it in the future, perhaps. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? Yes or no? I said I would do it forever, so it's not me changing my mind. It's you guys not taking part in it. So there you go. The idea was to grow the channel, so I would make a lot of money, so I could give away $1,000 cash prizes. But no one is really taking part. Well, some of you are. You know who you are. Some of you, no one's taking part to grow it, so I can give away the big money. So there you go. Let's have a look. Good morning, investors, traders, and cash holders. Good morning to all of you. Might be like John Smith in certain regions. Says 22. I'm not a gold member, not sure what you're talking about. Don't worry about it, M. Kahine. We have another person called Mohammed Kahine, who's a member, who's a gold member, and he got upset because he didn't understand. He said, I don't know what's going on. I said, well, there's 10 of you. Anyway, so he became a gold member, and we don't understand. Anyway, it's a mystery. It's a mystery to everybody. M. Kahine, we have had many imposters of a gold member, so we have to fake accounts. You're good. You're a good guy. I guess that's what's that is exotic for some. Says M. Kahine. I finally made a Friday episode. What videos I have to watch? What videos I have to watch? I'm not sure I understand your comment. Could you rephrase that for me, please? Do it monthly, but a bigger prize. Do it monthly. People wouldn't know if it wasn't consistent and regular. They wouldn't know when it was. People would forget. That's why I do it weekly. I'm not fake, my friend. I don't think you are. I think people don't want to make the extra effort to participate. I think it must be that. Yeah. Anyway, we're starting to get a little bit of a rebound. Let's have a little look. The S&P is down 1.22 coming up. What video should I watch for cash prize? I'll loop all the videos. It's in the newsletter. Flipping heck, church. How long have you watched this show? It's in. Really? Am I gonna? It's in the newsletter. What are you on about? Virgin Galactic is going back up at the minute. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Nothing cheap enough for me to buy more. I'll tell you that. Oh, read that. So you read the newsletter. Here he is. Bill, no respect for the rules. Who's got no respect for the rules? Who's got no respect for the rules? We got respect for the rules, Bill. No one can see it without the newsletter. No one's breaking the rules, Bill. Hello, folks. How are you all doing today? Great to see you, Bill. Not seen you for a few days. How are you, by the way? How are you? Not here for the $10. I'm here for the family to have fun. I know. You don't have to be here for the $10 prize, but be involved so we can have some fun with it. But not enough people are doing it. 53% are saying yeah. 53% are saying no. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? I can save myself some money. I lose money every single time. I was trying to be nice. I was trying maybe lower the cash prize to 2, like 2 or 4. Maybe lower the cash prize. What, lower it? Give less money away? What's the point of that then? What's the point of that? Anyway, bloody hell. You say some funny things, you do. Right, it's 8 o'clock. Let's bring everybody up to date with the first commercial break. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Skip the ad. Be right back. Here we go. All right. You could be a YouTube sponsor if you are a member, sponsor level in this space. There you go. It's if I won, I'd give it back. I think you need bigger prizes to motivate people to get involved, or just don't bother with it. Aha. Okay. Well, the idea 22 is we're all trying to build the channel. The idea was we would all watch the video. The video would go viral. We'd all put effort in, like I do, right? The video would get 10,000 views. I would earn $100. I would then give away a bigger prize. But nobody invested. Only 10 people every week watch it. If, 10 people enter. I'll get like 300-400 views on the video because I get that many views anyway now, but only like 10 people enter, which means it doesn't grow the channel, which means it doesn't make a difference. Anyway, Kamal says, pre-market looks crappy. Still going to keep my space. Google, Amazon, Shop, ARK. Yes, these are all my portfolio. These are all my stocks. I've got the S&P, Virgin Galactic. I'm keeping everything. I'm not selling anything. I'm just adding. That's all I'm doing. I'm preparing for a wonderful future. Rivian, these are all my positions. All right, not selling any of these things. Cash prizes keep audiences coming. It's an investment for the channel. Yes, it is, but no one's taking part, church. The facts are only 10 people are taking part. Look, here's the newsletter. This is what I sent out. The newsletter is great. It grows every week. Look, we're up to, people get the newsletter, 341 readers now. Started at 33 weeks ago. So it's grown really quickly. 341. I have like a 40% open rate. Everyone opens it. But people just don't bother with the cash prize draw. Look, there were 10. Let me refresh it now. There are now 10. See, even though I'm talking about it, people are going, I can't be bothered. So why am I paying it out? There you go. Let's have a look. One more chances to win, especially if my stocks are crashing. Yeah, Dave Mottram, he's won about 6 times. He loves it. It's paid for his membership for the next 2 years. And he's not even a member. Dave Mottram, he's won it like 6 times. He's won 3 memberships and he's not even a member. There you go. He's here for the free money, and good luck to you, Dave. He takes part. That's all that counts. Brave man buying in this market. I just keep buying. That makes me brave then, does it? I just keep buying. 8 o'clock, not here. Not here it isn't. It is here in the US, mate. Anyway, what's your feeling? Will markets rebound a little today? Probably not, actually. I think we're now going a lot lower over the next few months before it rebounds back. I understand the idea. I'm just saying I don't think $10 is enough to make people act. I'd can it. Yeah. Who are the 10 people? You know who you are. Bill, Stephen, Mike, Church, Dave Mottram, Alicia, Patricia, Leah, me. We don't count, of course. You know who they are. I want just 2 or 3 to people to enter. Yeah, there you go. I tell you what, Dave, I'll just set up a direct payment to your bank account every week. How about that? Maybe do a video newsletter. A video newsletter. I watch that rather than read it. George, this is the video newsletter. You watch it every day. Why do I need another video? This is the video newsletter. You're already watching it, Dave. Come on, Dave. Sort your life out, mate. Come on. Everybody, can everyone believe what George Semaine just said? Maybe do a video newsletter. I'd watch that instead. You only watch like about 4 hours a day, George, already. So I think we've got that covered. I think we've got the covered with watching. I'm still waiting for mine. We said I've sent your cash prize several times, Bill. You've received it several times, but for some reason you don't claim it on PayPal. I don't know what else to say. Love your show, man. Gotta go to work. Sorry for the imposters. That is weird. Hello, peace out to all. Lovely to have you here. Look forward to seeing you again. See you later, Kamal. Perfect. What's wrong, Bill? What's up with Bill? What's going on? What's going on with Bill? Right. Let's look at my overall position. Here we are. It's looking pretty awful, but I don't mind. I keep losing money. I keep buying the dips. Nothing wrong with that. LOL. Bill's comments always make me laugh. Yeah, it's not going to my PayPal. It's gone to your PayPal. It's there. You just got to claim it, but you, for some reason, don't claim it. I don't know what to say, Bill. Anyway, it's all rock and roll here today. Let's get ready for it. We've got 25 minutes before the bell goes. It's all good. Anyway, let me just check a couple of other screens here. There we go. I've not used that one for a while. Look at that. Sometimes I forget. Smash the like button if you've just arrived. If we get 100 likes, I'm giving a cash prize away. Maybe I'll stop doing that as well. I think I just entered the cash giveaway. You think? All right. Well, did you watch the video? Did you leave a like and leave the comment? As it says in the newsletter, did you do that? If you did that, then you'll be in. And I'll have a look. Shall we have a look? It was at 10 people a few moments ago. So if I enter, refresh the screen, 10, there is now 11. So I'm guessing you probably did. There you go. I knew this correction was coming. Been a long time before we make good returns again. Glad Martyn sold off months ago. Sold off? What do you mean I sold off? I've not sold anything. I cleared my margin. Is that what you mean? I cleared my margin. I'm fully invested. Let's get one thing absolutely straight. Right, let's get one thing straight. My overall portfolio, I'm 41,000 down. I put $70,000 in. I got a lot of money invested, and we're just down consistently, right? But I've been buying every dip. Oh, cleared margin. Yeah, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Best thing I ever did. My gosh. On top of all that, paying all the interest every month, be suicide. I'd bankrupt myself. Absolutely right. Anyway, we've got 20 minutes to go before the market opens. It's core PCE price index this morning, month on month up. Very, very tough day this morning. We've had 88 through the show. That's a lot since the beginning of the show. That's pretty good. We've just gained 2 subscribers. We've gone from 6,529 to 6,531. Fantastic. Now then, there's 24 watching, 24 likes, 100% engagement. Can't go wrong with that. Look, 24 watching, 24 likes. Doesn't get better than that. All right. Okay, here we go. Overall portfolio, so much volume in zero data to expiry options now. It's basically responsible for how the market moves. The swing yesterday was down to options traders and market makers having to hedge those positions. Nintendo hit 52-week low. Bye, 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 says Church. Not for me. I'm not an investor in that. Rolls-Royce is pumping every day. Might be too late. Worth a look. Earnings and outlook was great. George Semaine. I wonder if that's to do with the war, building more Typhoons and planes with Rolls-Royce engines. It very well might be that, actually. It very well might be that. Let's have a look. Rolls-Royce. I used to be in it. I always said it would bounce back. However, remember, I had to clear margin. I had to put things in stocks that were making money. So that's what I did. So anyway, let's have a look at Rolls-Royce. 163, 25%. What a rally. Oh, what a rally. I had it. Let me show you where I had it. I had it here. I had it around the $1. Oh, there you go. Solid company, right? But there you go. Is it over? That's the 5-year. Will it ever go back up here? It's a different company, remember. It's diluted its shares many times. Don't look at that and go, it's going back up here. It's diluted its shares many times. I wouldn't be surprised if it was to do with the Rolls-Royce engines in the Typhoons that England are building, and more of those because of the war. Could very well be. Could very well be. Looks like we're ramping up our army again. So anyway, there you go. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let me just refresh my screen. So we got cash prize giveaway in an hour and 5 minutes from now. Welcome to all of you. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. If you click the little star here, you can become a subscriber. And at the end of my shows, I make a video for you. And I record a video, put your channel on the screen here, and promote your channel on YouTube, on TikTok to my 31,000 followers. I'll make a commercial for you just because you're a subscriber. If you want me to tag you in my viral posts, some of my posts get 500,000 views now, all you've got to do is become my top gifter of the day. And sometimes that's 0.000001 cent. It's like a little a flower. Whoever's the top gifter, I will follow you back and tag you in a viral post. Another way to grow your channel if you are trying to grow on TikTok. Anyway, let's carry on. I should have bought at 80 cents. Oh, yeah, remember it? The company attributed to the results to recovering demand for international travel. Is that what it is? The company attributed the results to recovering demand for international travel, not noting a 35 year-on-year hike in large engine flying hours for civil airspace. The aviation sector is recovering. Hang on a minute. I'm going to use that. That's pretty good stuff. 22. Market Profit is here. Good morning, Market Profit. You're always here on the doom and gloom days. What's going on? We've been digging the ditches. We've been going through the pain over and over again for the longest time. I'm at all-time lows now, down $41,000, and I'm here every day. Oh dear, what a tough life it is, eh? It is. Keep on buying the dips. Keep on going. Stay invested. Stay the course. That's what it's all about. All right, let's do a Rolls-Royce video then. Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce, let's do it. Let's check the time. Thank you for the great information from 22. The time is 36 minutes. I have time. Rolls-Royce, I'm going to do it. Rolls-Royce. 36 mins. Okay. Okie dokie then. Let's go to my production screen. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Rolls-Royce. Ticker symbol RYCEY, a British institution. Remember when I was in it back here? I'll show you about a year ago. I was in it consistently around about this period here. I was in it around about the $1.90, this sort of area here. It was when I was in it. And I said it's one for the future. However, at the time I had plenty of margin. I had to rebalance my portfolio. Most of my shares were on margin. I doubled my position on everything because of margin. So now I'm back out of it. I'm not in it right now. And we've had a great week. Now, I always said, if you check back my old videos, Rolls-Royce will never fail. It's like Ford in the US. In the UK, it's an institution. It's part of our heritage. However, it has to stand on its own 2 feet. It has to make money. And why has Rolls-Royce popped up when, if we look at the markets, the overall markets are down today? Yes, we are heading perhaps to a recession. Things are getting worse. Interest rates are going to go up continually, and so is inflation. So why is Rolls-Royce doing so well today? Well, if you want me to tell you, the first thing you got to do is smash the like button and put a nice big subscribe above my head. There it is, okay? Rolls-Royce, I can share with you some of the information. Now, I just made a prediction on my show. This was made during a live show. I predicted that perhaps has something to do with a government contract, perhaps because the Rolls-Royce engines go into our fighter jets with what's happening in Europe. We need to ramp up our army and our air force. Right now, we don't have a big enough air force like we used to. If we gave it all to, if we gave what Ukraine was asking for, the UK would have no Royal Air Force, none. We could be invaded at any point if we give it all to Ukraine. Essentially, they want as many planes as we actually have in total. So it's perhaps that, or it could be this. This was just sent in by one of my researchers, 22. The company attributed the results to recovering demand for international travel. Of course, Rolls-Royce engines are a favourite of the airlines. The company attributed the results to recovering demand for international travel, noting a 35% year-on-year hike in large engine flying hours. Now, one thing to note is, I always said one of the biggest things for the company is it's not actually manufacturing the engines, it is servicing the engines. Now, many planes didn't fly for a while, so there was this lull. No engines could fly, no planes flying during COVID. Everyone sat on the ground, so no engines getting older, no maintenance. Of course, you still have to do a certain amount of maintenance, but obviously it was slowed down. However, Rolls-Royce sold part of that division, so they don't have the capacity as they did before. So it's worth noting that as well. And another point here, the aviation sector is recovering from the severe pressure suffered during the COVID-19 pandemic. That's just what I was talking about. When lockdowns and higher barriers to passenger entry choked international mobility. However, as like I say, some of their servicing sector has been sold off. So Rolls-Royce, it's worth noting, however, if you look at this now and think, great, I'm going to get back in. I never buy on a pump. Never. It's a golden rule of mine. I always buy when stocks are going down, not when they're going up. Okay? It's already happened. Now, you might go, well, if you look at the chart, look, this is great. What about the 5-year? It could go all the way back up to here. It's worth telling you, however, that will never, ever happen. Why do I know that? Do I have a crystal ball? Is there something I know that everybody doesn't know? Well, I will tell you why I think it's not going to go up there. But I will first of all tell you that actually I do have a... oh, hang on a minute. Let me edit that out a minute. Let me edit that out. Apologise for that. I'll edit that piece out of the video. Okay. So how do I know it's not going up to these highs again? Well, I might just have a crystal ball. Should we have a little look into my crystal ball? I do sometimes have a crystal ball. Let me have a look at it here. And my crystal ball tells me something very, very important. There's my crystal ball. My crystal ball tells me it's never going to go up there again. Why? Well, because they've diluted the stock several times and the industry is different and the company is smaller. So don't buy it here thinking you can go all the way back to $12. No, I don't know. One day in the future, possibly. But there's a lot more shares down here than there were up here. It's been diluted several times and there's no chance, in my book, it makes no sense at all for it to go back up here. Will it reach $3? Maybe. It's now at 163. So the upside now is a lot less than it was, or you might anticipate it to be. So I'm not buying it right now, but good luck to Rolls-Royce. Very nice to see this. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Rolls-Royce. Let's do a quick Rolls-Royce. Let's go over to this screen here. We've got 10 minutes to go. Rolls-Royce. Whoops, today's I can't spell Rolls. I could just put in the ticker. It might be easier. All right, okay. And remember, an ADR, I make less money as well from the US. There's extra charges if you're an American investor. Should have mentioned that as well. Okay, so interesting face. Rolls-Royce. Okay. There we go. Let's read some of the comments. Good morning, all. I was here yesterday too. I didn't know. I'll be back in soon. Church of Logic. See you in a bit. Rolls-Royce has new leadership, big changes, doom and gloom for sure. Good morning, Mohammed Kahin. You won't believe it. It's starting again. There was a M. Kahine in the channel again today. Unbelievable, Mohammed. Just a little while ago, we had a M. Kahine in the show. Let me see if I've still got one of his comments. Here he is, look. M. Kahine. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? After everything we've been saying, here you go. Another M. Kahine. It's like your name is extremely popular, it seems. Anyway, there we go. Very odd, isn't it? Let's scroll down to the comments. The markets have been on a tear for the last few months. Surprised your portfolio is doing so badly. You're surprised it's doing so badly because I am buying the stocks that are going down. That's why, the defensive stocks. Remember, in fact, the fact that you say that explains to me you've not been here that much. I'll explain. I cleared all my margin. I had about $50,000 of margin. So I had a double amount of portfolio. So I had $4,000 of Tesla. So I have sold it. So if I'd kept all that, my portfolio would be up a lot more because I'd had double the amount than I have today. Also, I can tell you've not been here every day because if you did, you would know this. I've got two parts of my portfolio. More money is going into my Roth IRA. There it is. So my overall balance is that. I'm at 42,000. I'm at 42,000, not the 35 that you're looking at. All right. So there you go. Makes sense? There you go. Got to have the full picture. Can't have half the picture. He has a lot of tech and defense in his portfolio now. But there you go. The full picture is very different, right? Rolls-Royce is up because of engine flying hours returning to normal after COVID. If Rolls-Royce starts getting nuclear reactor contracts, it might go up a bit more. They're building space reactors and small modular reactors for towns, says Bootsy as well. Do a biggies with your hands over your eyes for the video. Do a biggles with your hands over your eyes for the video image, George Semaine. That's quite good. You're on about an airline. Should we do it? That sounds fun. I like it. I'm doing it. I'm going to do it for George Semaine. This will cost you a super chat. This will cost you a super chat, though, all right? This will cost you... You're going to get your very own ticker. Rolls-Royce. You ready? Okay. Hang on. There you go. Got it. There you go. There's your very own ticker there. Sorry, thumbnail. Go out later. Biggles. I like that. Do a biggle with your hands over your eyes for the video image. All right. Let's see how that works. That could be my worst ever thumbnail. We'll see what happens. Buy Rolls-Royce. He wants me to buy Rolls-Royce. He wants me to buy Rolls-Royce with a $10 super chat. Okay. He wants me to buy... We've got a super chat to buy Rolls-Royce. Okay, so here we go. We have to first of all celebrate. We've got a celebration going on here. Buy Rolls-Royce, $10 worth. Okay, let me have a look. I'll make a video on it. Let's have a little look. So, let's see if this comes up. I'll wait for your chat to come up, and then I will be able to celebrate it on the screen. You ready? I'll make a video out of it. Just bear with, as soon as it comes up on the screen, I will do it. We'll make a little bit of a video out of it. We've got 5 minutes to go. I'm watching. We're just waiting for your thing to pop up on the screen, and when it does, I will be able to do I'll make a video on it. 5 minutes ago. I wonder if it's going to come up. Normally does, doesn't it? Takes normally about 30 seconds when someone does a super chat. It's I want to stay on this screen. I don't want to change because it'll make a good video. There we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. George Semaine just donated $9.99 through a super chat for me to buy some Rolls-Royce. Can you believe it? So there we go. Look at this. Let's cut to this. I'll edit this out. Okay, you ready? And let's bring this in. I need to warm this up first, and I'll do it. This needs to be set in the cache of the video. Otherwise, it doesn't work very well. Okay. All right, there we go. Back out of that. So here we go. So I've been asked to buy some Rolls-Royce on a super chat. Here we go. Look at this. It's payday. Fantastic. George Semaine just gave me a $9.99 super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Look at that. Incredible stuff. We love it. There we go. So let's go straight over now to my Rolls-Royce and get ourselves $10 worth of Rolls-Royce. Okay, we'll cut to that because we've got to do the opening bell and then we'll come back. So what time did that go out? At 50 minutes, Rolls-Royce. 50 mins, Rolls. I don't know if I should buy it just yet though. But having said that, do you want me to buy it now? I mean, end of the day, it's your money, right? It's your money. So, Roth IRA. Up to you. Well, I'm going to do it because it's your money. But here we go. So we're now going to buy Rolls-Royce. This is how we're doing it from George Semaine, who just donated to me. I am going to buy it, even though it's up. Limit order. Limit price. So we'll call it 165. We want it to go through. It's low volume, so you need to make sure. And for $10, how much do I get? I get 10, 8, 7, 6. There we go. We got 6. Allow to execute, review the order. Let's see if it goes through. And this is in my Roth IRA, long-term investing. Order placed. Hasn't gone through yet. That's because it's low volume and it's not enough. So it might not go through at that price. I could cancel the order to make sure. So done. Let's cancel it through. Let's cancel the order because we want it to go through before the bell goes. And we'll do a limit order again. Here we go. And this time we'll just call it 170. It doesn't really matter because it's just going to go through anyway. 175. And we want to do, what was it, 6, 5. Review the order. Continue. Oh, hang on a minute. I did it to 875. Oh, no, there we go. Hang on. 175 placed. No, it's still not going to go through. It's such low volume on it. It's not going through. So I'm going to cancel the order and try again. And this time, done. We're going to go back to our limit order because we want to make sure then if it's not to do with the volume, we don't want to overpay for it. So 165 shares, and this time I'll do it for 7, 6. There we go, 6. Review 165. Buy. There we go. We'll hold some Rolls-Royce. That's the best we can do. When the market opens, of course, we'll be able to do more with it. But anyway, we've got 10 seconds to go before the market opens. We're about to ring the bell in 10 seconds' time. Let's do it. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. Rolls-Royce purchased. There you go. I got it at 162. There you go. That was especially from George Semaine. And there we go. There is my $10 worth of Rolls-Royce. I will hold that forever as a special gift from George Semaine. Good luck all. Let's go. Let's have a little look at the markets. George wants any profit returned. Yeah, he's not called Dave Mottram. He's not called Dave Mottram. Dave Mottram says stuff like that. Okay, let's have a little look. Down today, 1.5. The overall market. Rolls-Royce, we're watching it now, of course, because we've got a small investment there. The S&P 500 is down. Virgin Galactic is going up. Nice. Let's see how the markets react to all of this. Rivian, it's not low enough to buy anymore. Tesla, I want to buy it at 160. It's way too overpriced. Lucid still going down. I'm down 9% now. Who would have thought it? Bear on watch first half. Be careful. Ed Nevius. B-A-E-R. Sorry, B-A-E-R. I said bear. B-A-E-R on watch. First half. Be careful. From Ed Nevius. Breaking news there. Okay. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you this morning. We've got our cash prize giveaway coming up shortly. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. And we're running a poll right now. We do a cash giveaway every Friday. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? 56% say yes. In fact, that's quite funny, actually. We've got, say 40, like 20. We've got about 15. That's about the people who do it, isn't it? Yeah, that's about the people that do it are saying, no, don't scrap it. They're enjoying it. Okay. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, going down. All-time lows now. All-time lows. J&J. Oh, I'd love some money to buy some more. Wouldn't you? J&J now. Google, Microsoft. What a thought. Some were saying Tesla to 60 not so long ago. Indeed. Walmart is coming back down again. They're really being affected now by the inflation figures. That will really hurt Walmart's profits. That's why that's going down. Great earnings. Risky forecast. So I want to buy it, but I want to buy it when it comes back down again. And we've seen since the earnings, it's dropped off. Look, see it? 1.93. There you go. Tesco. Next Era Energy, 5%. Enphase Energy, bucking the trend, going up. Bitcoin is just about nearly on a wash right now. Tilray, down again. Robinhood, down. I haven't really got any more money till I bring some... I can't believe I'm going to say that. I haven't got any more money till I bring some more money in. Okay, that kind of makes sense then. Right, we got time to bring everybody up to date, of course. We've got our George Semaine. Thank you so much indeed for that. Tip this morning. That's very, very kind of you. Very, very kind indeed. Thank you. Time for a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. The overall portfolio is down 1.44. Hello, family. We are back. Zach is back. Zach is back as a member. Lovely to have you back, Zach. You weren't a member yesterday. We are back. Excellent. Thank you so much indeed. You got a gold badge now. You've been a member for the longest time. We're hoping to, we got some really exciting news with our fundraisers coming up. When we hit 10,000 subscribers and we are on target for the end of the year, we'll be able to do fundraisers where our super chats go directly to the registered charity. Fantastic. It's a perk I get when I reach 10,000 subscribers, and we're hoping to be there by the end of the year. We should be at 1 million subscribers, 1 million views in 114 days. So we're very excited that we can do more for charity work there. I'm really excited about that. That's a really great feature that YouTube provide, and it all goes there as well. There's no deductions, no fees, no charges, and it's perfect really for my channel. I've been working hard to get that. That's why I keep going live and building the channel up. Let's get these targets. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, all-time lows again. Virgin Orbit. Oh, I don't like it going this cheap. It scares me, to be honest with you. I mean, it's a very small position here in my brokerage account, but in my Roth IRA, it's 17% of my portfolio. It's a long-term investment, but I'm down 16% on it now. I've got a decent amount there, $1,200, and 16%. I mean, is Virgin Orbit going to go bust? I don't like it. With inflation going up and continuing going up, to raise funds is virtually impossible for Virgin Orbit. It would require. Oh, I got my coffee from Leah. Thanks, Leah. It would require a huge donation, if you like, from Richard Branson, which he's more likely to do that for Virgin Galactic than Virgin Orbit, if I'm honest. That's his legacy, really. Flying into space is really what he wants for his mum. Virgin Orbit, he'd have to let one go. Virgin Orbit, they can't keep going low. This is an all-time low now for Virgin Orbit. So, scary stuff. What do you think, Virgin Orbit? Is it going to go continually? Is it going to go down? George Semaine, so far, your $10 super chat is right on the button. I am neither up or down this morning. I'm holding my position, so that's good. In fact, I'm slightly up now. Slightly up. This is Rolls-Royce this morning. I'm slightly up on it. Hello, family. We are back. It's great to have Zach back here in the family. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? 56% are saying yes. Only about 10 people enter it each week. And that's all. A handful of people. That's all that does it. So anyway, it's coming up in just a few minutes' time. The S&P is going up. Started down, but going up. Let's check my overall position. There we go. Let me share with you on the screen where we are right now. I keep saying that Virgin Orbit is going to go down. If you want to be part of my Stockwits army, the Lucasades, I get some very silly people over there that say to me, "I'm an idiot if I say Virgin Galactic's going to go down." Well, it is going down, and with the core prices that we got today, it could go a lot lower. People only want me to say it's going up, but I won't do it if I don't believe it's to be the case. So if you want to join me over on Stockwits, we have a lot of fun. It's the Twitter of the stock market, and I've got 22 people in my army. It's a lot of fun. There is Stockwits. Let's see if I've gained one this morning. We have a lot of fun with it. I enjoy when people call me an idiot. I don't mind. Call me what you like. But I'm just telling you what I think. If you think it's going to keep going forever, well, that's up to you. Yeah, 22 followers over there this morning. Brilliant. Virgin Galactic. But isn't this giveaway good for your marketing? Yes, it is good. It is good. But it actually doesn't do that much. The potential was great, but no one took part in it. Only a handful of people did it, sadly. Here is how many we've got involved now. There were 11. Let me check. Let me update it. 11. 11. See, just there's 11. It gets the newsletter gets read by 341 people. It's a 40% open rate. So it was 170 people read it. Somewhere around that number there. It's a really good open rate, but people don't want to enter the draw. So there you go. That's fair enough. I can save some money. I gave it a go, and let's see how it ends up today, and then we'll look at the poll, and we'll make a decision. Virgin Orbit. Rivian, still going down. Tesla, I want to buy it at 160. Lucid. Amazon, Apple. Amazon's a good buy right now. Still haven't got to the bottom of this. This is information on Robinhood. That still makes no sense. I've not had a chance to call Robinhood. Price earnings ratio minus 352.41. Now, their price earnings ratio was around about 80 times earnings. It was expensive, okay? This doesn't make sense. And it's been like this now for a couple of weeks. You would have thought they'd fix it. I don't understand what that means, minus 352. Have they changed the way they measure something? I don't know. No one here has been able to answer it for me. I don't know. So we don't have the answer for that yet. Anyway, McDonald's, slowly getting cheaper. It's not where I want it yet. Coca-Cola. J&J. See, right now, you're not making much money on stocks, so you want stocks that will pay you a dividend. But pay it, not just promise it. So Coca-Cola and Johnson J&J are giving me a dividend, even though even the share price is going down. Now, some high dividend stocks will do that consistently, but it doesn't make any sense overall. Whereas J&J will bounce back, and so will Coca-Cola. Google, I'd like to buy some more, but now with inflation getting the way it is, Google definitely is going to go lower because the revenue it earns is going to go lower because people are going to spend less money advertising. No question about that. So we see that going lower as well. Walmart, with inflation, they'll go lower. Down today 1.45. No surprise there. Tesco, the same thing. Our solar now is interesting. I think this is one for the future. You need to be in this. Bitcoin's down 0.39. Tilray is down. So now I'm at my low again. This is where I entered it. 280 exactly here. So if I wanted to buy more, this would be my time. However, inflation and everything else is not good for this stock at all. And there's bigger issues as well in the government to get through this legislation. So Robinhood will make money. This is a buy. This is a buy, no question about it, because they will make more money with margin payments and interest payments. They're basically a digital bank. This is good for Robinhood. So there you go. I'm going to buy Robinhood. Limit order. 990. So 990 doesn't really matter. 990. And I'll buy a couple of shares. Review the order. Yep. I'll buy a couple of shares there. Review the order. Buy 990. I'm down 167 at the moment. There we go. 167 down 122 now. There we go. Just a little nibble. I haven't got any more money to buy at the moment, so I'll buy a couple of there. Very nice. With interest payments going up and going to go up for a longer time, they'll make money. People will still be in margin. But not just that. They earn money on their uninvested cash as well. They'll make money from that. And they offer a high rate interest to their customers as well, which of course they make profit on. They don't pay you everything out they earn. That wouldn't make any sense, would it? I wonder how much lower we're going to go. Do you know, I've got this hankering to buy the S&P 500 at this point. It's now down. It was up to like 6%. We're down at 1.25. I would like to buy the S&P 500 in my Roth IRA. Long-term investing at this level. Do we think it's going to go considerably lower? That is the question. We went as low as 328. So we are some way up from there. I'm up 1.27. This is the entry point. This is where this is my my average where I am now. I would like to bring in about $1,000 worth of George Otterty, yeah. But I think now S&P, to spread my risk down at this level on my Roth IRA, something is speaking to me saying this should be 50% of your portfolio. So I'm looking at it. Let me do some calculations. It means moving some money around. Let me have a quick look. If I can bring some money in today. Let me have a look. The S&P is getting interesting to me. What does everyone think? I'm thinking about bringing in. I'm looking at my bank account now, and I'm thinking about bringing in $1,000 as new money to earn 1% match to buy the S&P 500. I think we need something very safe and secure right now, and not going crazy on some growth stocks or anything like that. So I'm looking in bank account. I'm pushing myself to the limit, but I'm looking at it and thinking, all right, let's see. I don't think I have that much money. Until I get paid on Tuesday. We could leave it another week. Wait for JP report. Yeah, I mean, you're right. Let me just see when the FOMC report is. Let me have a look at that, because when he reports and says he's going up 0.5%, we're going lower. You're right there. That's Stephen Lewandowski. I think that makes every bit of sense. I think you are spot on there. Let me see when that is. Because remember, the markets will price that in, though. Fed, the next FOMC meeting is going to be... I'm looking at the 6th of March. It's a Wednesday. March 15th. That's as far as I'm out. As far as I go out is 15th of March. So does anyone know the date for it? My calendar only goes out to the 15th of March. I know it's at 12 p.m. It's on a Wednesday. I don't see it here yet. I think it's the 15th of March. That's quite a way out. There's no reason why things would improve between now and then, though, is there? I don't think I've missed it. Yeah, it's not. It's at least. It's at least the 15th of March. The next FOMC report. It's not worth doing it for the dividends. I don't know what the ex-dividend date is, but it's not worth it for that. Long term it is, of course, but not short term. So by that time, another month from now, I'm assuming it's at least a month away. I haven't got the date. Has anyone got the date at all? Anyone assist me with that? I like the S&P at where it is now. Looking to see if I can afford to do it. March 21st or 22nd, that makes sense. See, it only goes to the 15th, so I've got another week before it shows. So we got another month. Another month, I'll have another $2,000. So I'll be able to lower the average anyway. I think the market is pricing in the 0.5 anyway now. So to hedge my bets, if you like, I'm already in, and I'll just add to it on that day. I think if I need to, I think we're already preparing. Remember, the markets are always 6 months ahead of everything anyway. So I'm thinking of doing it. I'm thinking of bringing in $500 today. I'm going ahead of myself, but I think it's not a bad idea having those rates where they are today. Knowing that the market is pricing it in. You don't want to buy anything risky and crazy. So I'm going to go into my Roth IRA, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to go into my Roth IRA. Roth IRA, deposit funds. From the bank, Roth IRA, new IRA contribution, 2023, yeah. Transfer. Done. There you go. Okay, I'm going to buy, I can't buy much. Is it just trending down again? 363. I'm up 2%. Remember, I bought this lower anyway, so it's going to actually raise my average. But remember, I bought this at the low, whereas everything else I was buying down the lows. So this one's already lower. It's been lower. Should we wait? May 2 or 3 and June 13 and 14, also 4 more. Yeah. Shall we wait and hold for a lower price? Now it's 10% of my Roth now. That's better. That's better. Maybe 1 more hour, says George Otterty. I decided to buy another one. So I've got 2 shares now. It's now 10% of my portfolio. That stabilizes my portfolio. I haven't gone all in. It's not that much. We'll wait for the rest to come. But I think I'm happy with that. We've priced it in. We know what's going on. There's no surprise, I don't think. Let me check my Roth IRA now. It's at 7,344. It's down $200 now in total. My contributions. Let's have a look. Let me share with you on the screen. My contributions are 2022 are maxed out. We did that 2 months ahead. We're now moving into 2023, and we've earned 550, which is nice. And we've already we brought it down from 6,950 because it's 7,500, the new Roth IRA. So there we go. And there's my overall position. Now, if we look at VU now, there it is. I'm up 1% on it. I've still got $147. I'm not going to buy anything with that. I'm just going to leave that. J&J, I could buy another one of those. Let's have a look. Let me look at J&J right now. I would rather have, see if I look at J&J in my Roth IRA, it is, in my Roth, it's playing a part of 40%. 40%. I'm down 5%. I would be able to lower my average if I bought another one. I could nearly buy another share. But yes, I could lower my average slightly, or I could leave that money to buy the S&P 500. And I think I want my S&P to be a bigger balance. I've always said I want to buy J&J. I've got a good position, but I would like to raise it up. So I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to buy any more of that. I'm going to wait until I can afford some more S&P 500, and it's still going down. My average is 358 now, so let's see if we can get it back down there again and balance out what I did today. So let's see if it goes down a bit lower, and I can perhaps use the cash. Well, I won't be able to buy a full share, but I'll be able to spend $147 to buy it. So let's see what happens. I'd like to have the same. Caught the dip. Said Ed Nevius. What's Ed Nevius said? Caught the dip. Euro getting lower again. TRO, everything is down. 2% inflation seems a long way. I am waiting. Might buy oil. Always goes up before the summer. I don't know. The market is acting crazy. Maybe an hour. Use a crystal ball, says Bill. Look at a longer-term chart S&P. It touched 3,500 last year. We are 3,950 now. I wouldn't jump in. Well, for me, I'm not trying to time the market. I don't make any secret of that. I'm looking at a long-term position. I want to be in. I don't see any point of my cash just sitting around doing nothing. As long as I'm lowering my averages, I know I just increased my average on the S&P there. But it was very, very close. It was a couple of percent. It wasn't much in it. Seeing where we are today, seeing that the markets are going down, and I want to increase it. At least it's now 10% of my Roth. It wants to be like 30, 40% really. Long-term investing, doesn't it? Anyway, still going down. The overall portfolio, the Roth IRA has come up though slightly. Let me have a look. I have made a bit of money this morning. Let's look at it. This is my Roth. It went down and it started to come up. I've increased my position. Sad the market is doing this, doing this. But no, it's not. It's about surviving and staying in the market. Just keep on investing. Keep on investing. Keep lowering averages. You know, you either believe. Oh, by the way, I did. It's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I've got to get out of here. We've also got cash giveaway as well. It's cash prize giveaway on a Friday. We do it every Friday. Let me run a quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. Here we go. Here we go. Be right back after a 10-second break. There is no money to invest. Yeah, that is always difficult, of course, if you don't have any money to invest right now, of course. Here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you're a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor one of these spaces. As a YouTube member, you can be one of the sponsor members. You can be one of those spaces. Okay, how many people are watching me right now? Let's have a little look. We've had 254 people come through the show this morning. That's pretty good. We're now reaching an audience in Asia. We have a 2 a.m. stream that is designed specifically for you guys to have a look at. Look, let me show you. This went out. Look, if you ever see this, just so you know, it's the morning show. See it here, look, replayed. It says replay. I just want you to know so you all know exactly when you see this. It goes out at 2 a.m. It's designed for the east of the world, just so you know. And it's called replay. It's got the word replay on the title, replay in the image, and it goes out to our audience on the east of the world, in Asia, and that's why we might have a bigger audience this morning so far. Let's see if we gain any subscribers. 6531. Yeah, we gained another one. And currently we've got 24 watching with 30 likes. Thank you very much indeed. It's cash prize giveaway in just a few minutes' time. Right, my portfolio is coming up. We bought the dip of the S&P 500 this morning. I am happy with that. Rolls-Royce, I'm down very slightly. I sold out last month, 17 cents in my portfolio, waiting until things get better. And what do I know? What do I know about stocks? Anyway, so I just sit and listen. Nice one, Bill. Fed Mester is speaking now. Let me go over to Bloomberg and see if we can share that information.
Problems ahead if they didn't keep their eye.
Let's have a look. Okay, it's not being broadcast, so we can't share it there. Let's have a little look. No, nothing being broadcast on my sources. Okay. Yeah, nothing being broadcast. It's gratifying that inflation declined from peak, but more is needed. Thank you very much indeed. 22. Appreciate your input every day. Really, really useful stuff. The S&P is coming up since I bought it. Very nice indeed. Feel good about that. I have 10% now in my Roth IRA, and that's more like it. I'd like to get to 40%. My overall position is now increasing. That's good. That was a good buy. Doesn't mean I'm going to sell it, mind you. I'm not looking to take any short-term gains. I don't really want to sell anything, to be honest. I just want to keep adding and adding and adding at lower and lower prices. Holding everything, not paying anything on tax, not doing short-term tax, holding for long-term. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm investing rather than trading at the moment. So there we go. That was a good buy so far. Would have loved to have bought more, but I didn't really have any money. I bought in as much as I could. Stretch myself to the absolute limit there. Anyway, it's good. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, 160 is my target. Lucid, Apple coming back up. Amazon's a great buy. Let me go over to my Roth brokerage. That's one I'd like to pick up. Yes, I'm going to buy an Amazon. Limit order, limit price, 94 cents. One. Review. $93.36. There we go. I've lowered my average on Amazon, increased my position on Amazon. Just as I did, of course, it's going down even lower. That's just typical, right? But anyway. 93.36. So if I look at my history, I bought at 96, now I bought at 93. Good. Good. Okay. Happy with that. McDonald's, still not cheap enough for me. Coca-Cola, J&J, down 5.76, a new all-time low, no question about that. For me anyway, all-time low for me. Let's read some of these comments. I was only advising you to trade when you were advising you to trade when you were using margin. Now you aren't on margin and you're adding cash every month. I suggest buy and hold on the way down. Buy and hold on the way down if you don't mind the losses. Yeah. I was only advising you to trade when you were using margin. Now you aren't on margin and you are adding cash every month. I'd suggest buy and hold on the way down if you don't mind the losses. Yeah, I feel that's exactly how I'm playing it. If there's some news on Amazon as a big player in AI, it could help the stock a lot, says Tio Roll. If this the market might be worse than 2008. At least in 2008, we knew what was going on, and when it was down fast, this is like a plane with with one engine in the sky. Oh my gosh! I lowered my VU average 365. Oh, let's have a look. Where am I compared to you then? I want to see 365. Very good. Lowered my VU average to 365. Okay, good. Good morning, Rema Khan. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Okay, it's 5 minutes to go, and it's cash prize giveaway. Now we've done a poll here. Should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? 61% say no. Blimmin' hell, 67 votes now. Right. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to set a new rule. The red is getting annoying, I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I like it. I like it. I want to get lower and lower and lower averages. The day will come when I will stop buying stuff and I'll just ride it up, and then my cash will start building up. It's like digging the ditches when it's, you know, when it's the sunshine. I'm doing everything now that when the good times come, I won't have to do anything. It'll go up and up and up, and I won't do anything. I won't buy on the way up. I'll wait for the next dip to come, and then I can trim off the top. That's all it is. Very simple, really. So I'm just taking the losses, buying lower, buying lower. I'm not trying to time it. No one knows when the bottom's coming. No one really does. So I'm not doing anything other than buying as it goes lower. So there we go. I'm happy. Even though I'm down. Let's remember how much money I've lost. 41,000. I've never lost 41 pence, let alone 41,000. That's where I am. Am I down and doom and gloom? No, I'm not. I understand it. I accept it. It is what it is. And I'm using it to my advantage. I'm staying in the game. I'm like Rocky going through a bloodbath, going through a flipping fight. I'm being smashed in the face, smashed in the face, smashed in the face. And the guy cannot get me down. He cannot get me down. And right at the end, bam, I'm going to punch him right back and go right back up. Because he'll be worn out. The bears will be worn out, and I will come right back up and go, boom, stick it to you. That's what I'm all about. There's no way it's going to kill me. There's no way I'll ever give up. Never given up anything in my life. Interest rate hikes is useless, but I'm not an expert. But it just looks in plain sight to me, says Church. The Fed could kill inflation instantly with a 3% hike. But they decimate the economy. Do it. Have I missed a cash giveaway? Had to rush out? No, it's coming up right now. Okay, folks, it's cash giveaway time. Everybody wants some free. Now then, I asked everybody a poll today. I asked everybody in the chat, shall I scrap the cash giveaway? I asked you all, should I scrap the cash giveaway? So let's do the cash giveaway right now. Before we do it, though, let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break so you're all up to date. Go under the video. Go under the video right now. And if the video is great, see where it says, see the live button here? If you are live and it's grey, you're behind the stream. You want to be up to date. All you do is click the live button. It will turn red. You are now up to date. Okay, make sure you're up to date. If you're not up to date, you won't be able to be in the cash prize draw, and you won't be able to do the good stuff, which I'm about to tell you right now. So here comes the commercial break. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds and bring yourself up to date. Here we go. Okay, here's the ad. Skip the ad. You could be a sponsor in that space. All right, everybody with me. Now then. Let me give it a moment for everyone to catch up, and then we'll do the cash prize giveaway. Rolls-Royce new boss lays down the law. Article in the Times. Malk, send it to me via Discord, and I'll make a Rolls-Royce video on it. That would be awesome. They won't see that message until they catch up to click live anyway. That's right. Well, eventually I'll see it. That's why we're waiting for a few moments, Bill. That's why we always give a little minute. Okay. So then, every single Friday at this time right now, 9:15, quarter past the hour, I do our cash prize giveaway. Now then, to be in our cash prize giveaway, I asked everyone today in a poll. Look in the chat right now, and it says in the chat, should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? I want to give you a $1,000 cash prize. I would love to do it. However, I can't do it until I make the money. I lose money on every single cash giveaway. I ask you to watch a video. On average, I make about 50 cents to $1 on the video. That's it. And I give away a $10 cash prize. I would love to give away more. I can't until I make it, even though right now I'm losing money. So the idea is everyone watches the video goes viral, eventually I earn some more money, I can give it back to you. We've been doing it now for nearly a year, every Friday, I've never missed, always been here. Today in the poll I've said, should I scrap the cash giveaway for now? 62% of you have said no, which means about 35 of you have said no. So 35 of you should be entering the cash giveaway every week, and you're not. Let me show you how many people are doing it and how we can end up with a $1,000 cash prize if you all take part. Let me refresh. There were 11 earlier. Let me refresh. There are now 14. So there are half of you who have said don't scrap it, who are not even entering it. So this is the last week. And we'll do it one more week, and if next week it's not improved, we will take a break from it. So about 35 of you have said no, we want to do it. So so how do you get into the competition? How do you get into the cash giveaway? Okay, the first thing that you've got to do is, you're watching the video right now, you have to subscribe to our channel. Have you done that? We're about to do it right now. Has everyone subscribed? Okay. You've also got to like the video. My system will not pick you if you don't like the video. Have you done that? Everybody done that? Okay. Now then, how do you get into the cash giveaway? Every single Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT, I send out a newsletter. 350 odd plus people read it. It's really popular. It's growing, but you're just not entering the draw. And if we don't get a dramatic increase next week, I will stop doing it. So you voted to do it. So now it's up to you to actually do it. Otherwise, I'll stop doing it. Here we go. Here is the link that you need to get the newsletter. Some of you have already got it. Here it is. It goes out every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT. Here is the newsletter. I'm just trying to give you the link. My computer's going a bit slow. Just bear with me a second. There you go. There it is. I'll give it to you again so my comment stands out. When you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here. This is what you will see. This is the All Links button. On the All Links page, just bear with me, it'll be there in a second. Here it is. Here's the All Links page. On the All Links page, right at the top, you will see the subscribe to the Martyn Lucas Investor newsletter. If you scroll down, there's other newsletters for the music channel and all the free stocks and all my social media. But right at the top, you put your email in there. It's a secure server, HTTPS. It will then send you a verification email. The verification email will always go into your junk folder. So if you don't see a verification email straight away, look in your junk folder for your last email or search for this email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. There it is in the chat. If you've got verified, you will receive the newsletter on Sunday. If on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you do not receive the newsletter, that's because either you didn't verify it, and you'll know if you verified it because it would have sent you a verification email, or it's gone in your junk folder again. It goes in your junk folder because it's a newsletter, and that's what happens until you open it a few times, okay? Okay. And then what you do is you open the newsletter and you take part in our draw. And every week, this is the newsletter. We have a great number of people that read it. We've only been doing it 33 weeks, and we've got 341. It's growing all the time. There it is. You scroll down, you read the newsletter, and all you've got to do is look for the cash giveaway. Here it is, down here near the bottom, and it says the cash giveaway this week. Cash giveaway competition. There it is. There's the video to watch. There's the comment to leave, and there's the thumbnail, so you know what it looks like, and you can be in the draw. And that's all you have to do. Now, if we don't get the numbers up dramatically next week, I will stop doing it. And I want to give you a $1,000 cash prize. I can't do that, though, until you all enter it. The video goes viral, it makes money, and I'm able to do it. Okay, so that's how we'll do it for the last time next week. If next week it's not accelerating, then I won't do it anymore. We'll take a break, and I will keep the money for myself. sounds daft, doesn't it? All right, just invest in the channel and you will end up with a bigger prize. So let's give away the cash prize right now. So has everybody subscribed? Has everybody thumbed up the video? Okay, let's do it right now. Here we go. Here's this week's cash prize giveaway. And we also have other cash giveaways as well. If you subscribe to me for free on Twitch, I give away the cash prize, the money I make on subscribers as well. I also give money away on Amazon cashback. I do all these things to help, all right? Okay, the winner today is, let me just make sure that we've got the maximum number in. Here we go. 8, 14, there are 14 people. There we go, let's go. And if you win, I will give you the money live on the show right now during the show. Okay, here we go. The winner this week on the cash giveaway, and it could be the last time ever. The winner is Crag. Is Crag in the house? We're going to give Crag a few minutes, a few seconds, not a few minutes. A few seconds. Is Crag in the house? I want to win to donate it, says Stephen Lewandowski. Is Crag in the house? I am here. Yay! Okay, Crag, congratulations, you've won the cash prize. I will pay it to you straight away. So, Crag, please now go into Discord so I can confirm this is you. Go into the welcome all. Go into the welcome all right now. Here's the welcome all. We always do this so we know it's secure. Go into here and say hello. I will then message you privately, confirm it's you on the screen, and I will then send it via Cash App, PayPal, or whichever is best for you, as long as it's one of those options. Crag, I'm here. Just come in, Crag, and just say, here comes Bootsy, look. Crag, is this you? Is this you? All you got to do, Crag, is say this is you. I just want to confirm we are the same person. Bootsy, I'm here. I'm Crag. See, that's exactly what I mean. That's exactly what I mean. Bootsy's trying to steal your money. I'm only joking, he's having a laugh. All right. So, Crag, is this you? I'm assuming this is you because you are a member. So that must be you, in fact. Yes, that must be you. Right. So this is you. So I'm going to send you a private message. And congratulations. All right, I'm going to send you a private message now. Click on here, message. There you go. Congrats. Whoops-a-daisy. Congrats. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. This is Crag, by the way, if anyone wants to know. Crag is an owner, a proud owner of one of the Martyn Lucas mugs. He's got one of these. Hey! There you go. Fantastic. Congratulations. So, Crag, I will set up. Thank you. You're very, very welcome. Crag, do you use Cash App? Can I send you a link to Cash App? Have you ever used Cash App before? If not, I will send you my referral, and that way you can get an extra $10 as well by setting it up. So just let me know. Just wait and see what Crag's going to say. But we'll move on right now. We're going to end the show. I might have to pay Crag a little bit later on. Remember the rules, Crag. You have to claim your prize by the end of the day, otherwise you lose it. But I'm sure you will. Anyway. Yes, Cash App. He's already got it. Fan-flippin-tastic. So I can pay it right now. Excellent. Here we go. So you all can see. I pay it live on the show for everyone to see. There we go. This is Crag. He's won $10. All right. Paying it now. And it's Crag. What is it? What is your name? There we go. There we go. It is Crag. Yep. I've got you. Confirm. Here we go. So, Crag, can you confirm? I've just sent you... yep, there you go. You get $10. There you go. There goes your money. Congratulations, mate. Sent. Done. There you go. Brilliant. Craig, let me know in the chat you've got it. I'm sure you have, but there you go. Now then, the markets are still dropping. Still going down 2% today. We bought Rolls-Royce. Down very slightly. What did we buy today? We bought Amazon. Sorry, that's Apple. We bought Amazon this morning. And I bought it for $93.36. It's now another $1 cheaper. Bloody hell. We also bought VU. We increased our position. We bought another one. And we bought it for $362. Which is pretty much where we are now. So that's okay. I see red, red, red. Congratulations, Craig. Congratulations, Roger Fichon. All right, so let me end the poll. So next week will be the last week unless we see the numbers increased. There are, 35 of you who said, no, keep doing it. So I expect at least 35 people next week to do it. And if you don't do it, and if we get around about the 10, 11 again, it'll be the last week for a while, and I might bring it back again. So I'm going to end the poll now. Thank you very much indeed, everyone, for taking part in it this week. Lovely. Remember, it's to benefit you. If you all watch it, I can give away bigger prizes. That's the idea. Right, the overall portfolio is down. Rolls-Royce, the S&P is still going down. Virgin Galactic, where's that now? Holding, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Going to buy it at 160. It's going to go there. Lucid, Apple, Amazon trying to come back up again. I increased my position. That's on my Roth, my brokerage account. It's very different. Much, much different. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. It's coming up this morning now. Google's returning. 89 now. 89. 21 times earnings. Great opportunity for Google. Great opportunity for Google. I'm up today, says George. What could be good buying opportunities today? For me, knowing that the markets are so unstable, it has to be the S&P 500. It has to be any of those companies, in top companies in the S&P that make money. It has to be a company that makes money. The S&P will pay you a profit. It'll always make money long term. That's what I bought this morning. Absolutely right. I also bought an Amazon as well. Yes, I bought a share of Amazon. So there we go. That's what I'm buying. I added to my position this morning. I was only 5% in my Roth. I'm now 9.98. I doubled my position. Why is it red, red, red? The reason why it's red, red, red today, Jumper, was because the economic data that came out today, core PCE price index. Look at the beginning of the video. I was explaining all about it. Inflation is going up. We're now expecting more rate hikes, 0.5. It's still getting out of control. So that is why the markets are down. They're pricing it in, but it's worse than anticipated. So it's going to get worse before it's get better. I've been saying the same story all year. The bear market rally is what it was, what it is. It's going to get worse before it gets better. Okay? Anyway. Nothing has changed. It's the same situation, completely the same. if I am in very deep with Vorb now and my cash reserves for scalping are getting lower, I'm getting worried if this drops much lower. I agree, Crag. I am totally with you. Virgin Orbit now at 134. It goes much. If it goes much lower, it's done. It's done. It'll go the way of Arrival. It'll go the way of the Bed Bath and Beyond. It can't raise capital when its share price is too low, and when it goes up, it's going to dilute anyway. So it can't go much lower. Otherwise, it's bankrupt. It doesn't matter how good the company is. It's like the people who keep telling me Lucid's the greatest company in the world. If it goes any lower, it's bankrupt. It's simple as that. Anyway. Let's do day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Of course, it's our world premiere tonight. I forgot to mention that. All our friends over there in Turkey and Syria, they need our help more than anything else. Here is the world premiere for tonight's video. Hopefully you'll join me tonight. What is tonight's video? Tonight's video is... Let me have a look. It is... I can't think of what it is, top of my head. I think we're nearly at the end of the of the list now. There was 15. Yeah, tonight is part 10 of 15, and it's Let It Be. So Paul McCartney, absolutely spot on song, I think, for this. Here it is. Hopefully you'll join me tonight for part 10. Just 5 to go. Thank you for all of you that have watched the series, supported me, trying to raise money for those in Turkey and Syria. You don't have to donate. You are raising money and raising awareness and promoting our charitable cause by simply watching and sharing the videos. That's all you have to do. It's free to do that. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Okay. Bring everybody up to date, and then we'll do day trader of the day. Need to stay above $1 to stay on the exchange, I believe, says 22. Oh, dear. Well, we'll see what happens. We're talking about Virgin Orbit. Okay, you could be a sponsor in this space if you are a YouTube member sponsorship level. Let's do day trader of the day. We are down today. Down 2.04%. Down 2.04%. Down 2.07, getting worse by the second. All right. The good thing about a crash is when it finally crashes, then we can start to rebuild. And it's still got a ways to go. Let's put a minute on the clock. Down 6.54. Down 2.5. I am down 2.04. So I am winning again. I've won, what, 2 days, whatever, so far. Down 1.86. Eric B goes into the lead. Down 4.8. Eric B is just ahead of me. Just ahead of me. Well, he's nearly 1% ahead of me, to be honest. So he's way ahead. Eric B, congratulations. Eric B's been following me and saying, yep, I'm buying defensive stocks. Markets are rubbish. Just keep buying safety stocks, lowering averages, dig the ditches, keep in. Eric B, you might be the winner. If we get any more, let's have a quick look. George is up. Oh, George is up. I didn't see that. George is up 2.5%. Wow. Congratulations, George. Never down if Martyn Lucas is live. Yay! Jason Fallon. I love it. 10 points to Jason Fallon. There you go. I think everyone should celebrate that comment, that wonderful comment with a 99-cent super chat. I've got 37 watching. If 37 people give me $1 each, I will spend all the money and buy some stocks that everyone says to buy. That's good for me, isn't it? I mean, I'm just being honest. Anyway, let's celebrate. George is up. So let's go back. George is up 2.5%. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Awesome stuff. And here we go. George, congratulations. George, share that information in Discord so we all know what it is. Jason wins. Jason wins. There we go. Next week, the market will bounce. Well, I'm in, ready for it. Oh, I just got a super chat. There we go. I got a super chat. Right, I've got $2 to spend. There we go. I said whatever super chats I will get in the next couple of minutes, I will spend it. So I will buy some stocks. What should I buy? So first of all, we need to celebrate with our celebration screen. And here it comes. We got our first super chat. Here it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Get in. It's payday. I got a lot of Bed Bath & Beyond. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, that's why he's up. How can you be up buying a bankrupt stock? I've never seen anything like it. Starting 1,000 account. Oh, Jason Fallon has just given me so now I've got $12 to spend. Oh my gosh. Let's do it again. Boom. There he is again. Woohoo! Fantastic. That's $12. I can't believe I said this. I don't even know if I've got the money to spend it. I might need to be careful here. I might not have the money to spend it. So anyway, let's have a look. I've got to go in a sec. I've got an appointment at the bank in 20 minutes. It's only a minute away, so I can get there very quick. All right. Okay. So I've got $12. I hope I've got $12 in my account. I have. Buy a beer. Okay, I'll buy a beer. I'll buy it. Well, I did promise Stephen Lewandowski. I did promise. You're saying buy a beer. Stephen Lewandowski is saying was under the assumption that I would do it. So I have to do it now. I have to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend I've got $4 now. Jason says keep your money and buy. Oh, hang on a minute. I can't keep up. 2, 4, 6. I got 6. Stop. I haven't got this much money in my account. So you can't keep doing it. Right, okay. I'm with a dollar cost average. Buy some pretzels. Okay, so now I need to spend. Ed's money and Eric's money. So $4. Great. I'm going to buy Rolls-Royce because I said I would with your money. So there you go. I'm in Australian dollars, by the way. Yeah, so it's only like $1 in it. It's only worth $1 in it. Buy in my Roth IRA, I've got 54, so I got $4. Which penny stock is hot? Here we go. Rolls-Royce. Limit order. I'm going to lower my average. I've got $4 to spend from you guys. The rest of you said no, just keep it, so I'll do that. So I will buy limit order 165. Hang on, 162. I'm going to make sure I don't go over. 2, 3. There we go. It's about 3. I'm down 1.23. I can lower my average. Review the order. It should go less. 162. It's going in at 162. 161. There you go. I lowered my average. There you go. I used the money. Oh, that's a low blow. Well, I don't know how much Australian money is worth. I ain't got a clue. 161. There we go. So I've lowered my average. I've got a few more. Ian Jackson's done a 5. What's going on? I haven't got the money. Stop it. Hang on a minute. I'm trying to work out what I'm doing now. Rolls-Royce. Okay, in that case then, that's now going up. So I don't want to increase my average. I'll go over to Amazon. Sorry, Apple. Amazon. And Ian Jackson says, I'm giving you $5. So I want you to spend $5. I'll go, in that case, I'll go to, is that my Roth? No, that's my Roth there. Brokerage, Roth IRA. Okay, buy Amazon. Limit order 92. Yeah, this is hilarious. 92. 70. And I can't do a limit order. I can't. Hang on. Yes, I can. I've got to just do it this way. It's a market order, isn't it? A market order. Yeah, I've got to do $5 worth. There we go. $5 worth from review the order. From this is from Ian Jackson. So there's $5 there. Buy. Okay, it went in at 92.58. Right, lowered my average. That was funny. Okay, I think I've done everyone's gifts. So we've lowered our averages all over the place. There we go. Thank you very much. The two of you I didn't do, which was Stephen Lewandowski and Jason, they said buy a beer. Thank God they said that, because I was nearly out of money. So it's just as well, really. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the show. I've got to go. So that was a lot of fun. Bearing in mind, I need to point out, I won't get paid from YouTube for another few weeks until the 21st of March. So I have to be careful if everyone does that at once. Oh my God, where's the money coming from? Anyway, I think that's it. I've got to get out of it. I've got an appointment at the bank in 20 minutes. So have I given everybody the world premiere for tonight? Has everybody registered for that? Has everyone signed up for the newsletter? So on Sunday you'll get it. Has everyone done that? Let me check. Did we get any more subscribers here today? Oh, hang on. Ian Jackson. I don't believe it. I didn't celebrate your super chat. You ready? Here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Get in. There we go. Sorry about that. I can't believe I forgot. Thank you very much indeed. Is there a way to get the money to you quicker? Yeah, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Apple Pay, all those things. But don't worry about that, Jason. It's fun doing it on Super Chats. It's fun. It's fun. It grows the channel. It helps the channel. It's the most interactive way. I want what's best for you. I think it's fun when everyone has themselves on the screen. Just sending me a tip, via PayPal or, that's no fun for you, is it? I mean, financially it's better for me, but that's no fun for you, is it? No fun for you. This is hopefully the fun way. All right, okay. Did we gain any more subscribers today? But thank you very much for asking. Thank you very much for asking. This is the best way of doing it. I'll make sure I find a way. Okay, let's have a look. We gained today any subscribers. Let's have a little look. We gained, oh my gosh. My channel has exploded. 545 people have come through the show this morning. I cannot believe it. 545. I think it's some scammers. Look at that, because we only gained a couple of subscribers. That doesn't make any sense. And there's only 24 watching. There's something going on. That can't be right. Anyway, thank you, Martin. Have a good day, everyone. That's it for me. Let's roll the credits. See you back this afternoon. Roll the credits. Get into this screen here. Take that off the screen. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Stars of our show, Super Chats, George Semaine, Stephen Lewandowski, Jason Fallon, Eric B, Ed Nivius, and Ian Jackson. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, guys. That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed that. There's nothing better than losing money every day. It's like, I mean, what could be better? I will see you back for the closing bell. Check out the new videos I put out last night. I put loads of new great content out. Great content, amazing content. Take care of yourselves and each other.